Hello, my name is Clementine Bouche. I am a graduate student in environmental management under the supervision of Clifford Atleo, and the title of my talk is Health Indicators by and for Indigenous Peoples. There's a lot of industrial development happening in Canada, which can negatively impact the environment and the people. We can assess and mitigate these impacts through impact assessments, which look at environmental factors, but also social factors like health. However, these assessments often follow federal and provincial guidelines without taking into consideration the traditional values of the Indigenous peoples who are most affected by development. And this is an issue because without considering Indigenous values in health assessments, we cannot properly assess, manage, and reduce the impact of industrial development on Indigenous people's health. To solve this problem, my research seeks to identify Indigenous-based indicators through a unique collaborative process with an Indigenous nation located in Northwest British Columbia. Here are the steps we took, which you can see on the diagram. Step 1, we, meaning a team of researchers from Simon Fraser University, reviewed dozens of indicators through an extensive literature review. Step 2, we evaluated these indicators through criteria that had been previously defined and approved by the community we work with. And based on these criteria, we made a pre-selection of the most appropriate indicators. Step 3, we conducted focus groups with community members and band council staff to obtain the insights on the pre-selected indicators and potential new indicators. Step 4, we reviewed the indicators with health experts working in the region of the community we collaborated with. Step 5, we tested the indicators through a census to gather other community members' insights on the indicators as we asked the question, is this indicator relevant to your health? And step 6, we presented these indicators to Chief and Council for final approval. So what did we find? The main indicator that we identified with the community was not a common indicator like cancer rates or life expectancy, but was an indicator intrinsically related to Indigenous people's everyday well-being. It is social and cultural connectedness, and it asks members how connected they feel to the community, culture, history, lands, and waters. So, through our collaboration with Indigenous peoples, we were able to identify indicators that best tell us about their health and that also best help them track their own well-being to reduce the impact of industrial development on the community. My hope is that this research process can be replicated by any nation across Canada or any research team collaborating with Indigenous peoples who seeks to identify Indigenous-based indicators. I also hope that the findings can be used today by health practitioners in health assessments. Thank you.